So in our previous classes we had learned about what is page formatting and what are the different types of formatting which you can apply to a page. Alright, so making changes to the settings of a page is known as page formatting. That is, in your page setup option you have 6 different type of page setup options, in which if you change any one of these or all of these attributes of a page, then this is known as your page formatting. So basically these are all the options that are seen in the layout. That is, after applying this, how would your page would be displayed. All right, so we had learned about how you can change the orientation, that is your length and width, using rulers. All right, and also we have learned how you can change the orientation of a page, that is how you can display your written paragraph or written text in landscape or portrait orientation. All right, so orientation refers to the direction along the length or width where your page is being displayed and printed. So this is an example of portrait orientation. You can see in portrait orientation the document is printed along the width of the paper. All right, so this is an example of your portrait and this is an example of your landscape. These were the steps which we had discussed earlier also, and we had completed till inserting a page. So now we are going to discuss what is column formatting. Alright, so column formatting is the manipulation or modifying of data in such a way that the page has the data written in many columns, like we see in a newspaper. So if you closely see a newspaper, there are different, you can see everywhere it is written, but the thing is, the order is that somewhere, for example, the first heading is bold, capital and in bigger size. Okay, the second, suppose this paragraph is your heading and beneath this is written your body, same goes for here. So see, this type of arranging of your data in a specified order, like for example the data in this portion is written such a way that the words should be bold and should have a sizer which are greater than the body that is having the complete details of these news. All right, these data that are incomplete, they have your all the detailed information is given in a very small order. All right, so these type of formatting of columns in different ways or different types which can be specified by you, or you can have, like there are some options which are having in MS Word that allows us to sort or format the column accordingly. But also, if you want to change your column options by yourself, then you can click on more column option, and then you can select the different type of columns which you want to. Suppose if you want to there are 5 different type of presets given. After giving the presets, you have to define your number of columns, width and spacing. I mean what will be their width of the words between them, and what will be the space between the letters or words. All right, this is known as your space, and the width is known as the amount of space that are occurring between two words. All right, and you can either have your option of equal columns and width of your paragraphs, or you can have equal column and equal width. So all these columns will have equal width and equal spacing. All right, and you can apply this to your selected given set of selected data, or apply to the whole document. This type of formatting is known as your more column options from column formatting. All right, here you can see it, the given steps are given. So these are the steps for your more column options.